What's going on, guys? Just a very light video for you today. After watching and listening to some of the other folks in the pressure washing industry over the last few months, I decided to go into the archives and put together this little montage of some videos I made about 7 years ago that made me laugh then and still do today. I hope you get a chuckle or two out of them, and if so, leave us a comment below. Let me know what you think. But more importantly, wait until the end of this video so you can see my company's first and only television commercial that we ran about 12 years ago that had an astonishing ROI of roughly 0%. So just a little background. If you're watching this, you've most likely watched other pressure washing channels, you've been on some of the Facebook pressure washing groups, or if you're an old guy like me, we're on the internet forums back in the day. So you probably know that there is a ridiculous amount of politics and posturing throughout this industry. Not much has changed over the years. You still have guys out there with vast amounts of knowledge who have put together solid courses and are rightfully charging for them. And you still have guys with absolutely zero knowledge who are out there selling courses and certifications and charging for them. And you have guys out there that are sharing information and knowledge for free. And of course, then you have the guys out there that are saying, guys like me are destroying the industry by teaching others and showing them our secrets. And then they're trying to sell you on a class or a certificate in the same breath. Back in the day, it was a little different. You had guys that were trying to start these various organizations and put on these big shows to make a buck or two. Now, don't get me wrong. There are orgs out there that add real value and courses and certification classes that add real value. I just encourage you to research and talk to the guys who've joined or bought these classes, or better yet, talk to the guys who are putting them out there, because you can learn a lot about a guy from just talking with them. So that's my 2 cents on that. And just for fun, enjoy my take on these things from about 6 years ago or 7 years ago, I'm not sure. And wait until the end to see our first TV commercial. I hope you enjoy and have a great day. Hey guys, it's the DOC here with the denacleancom School of Pressure Washing Excellence and Window Cleaning Excellence. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday so far. I know you hopefully you're not working and you're being able to enjoy some time with your friends and family. Get a little rest over the weekend. Obviously, I'm not in my regular clothes. I'm going down to the Y where I teach a jazzercise class on Saturday mornings. But wanted to talk to you guys about faxing. I've been getting inundated with phone calls, faxes, texts about faxing. Now, I think this whole social media thing, I think it's a big fad. So my recommendation to everybody in the industry is get used to faxing. I've personally got 14 fax machines at our fax center, and we've got 12 operators that work 24/7, constantly on the move, constantly faxing. Their little fingers are going so fast faxing people that I don't even know how they can do it, but it's truly amazing. And actually, at the big event, you're going to be able to check it out for yourself. Association members are only going to have to pay $12 for the tour, and then it's a $25 fee for anybody. And also tune into the Mullen Jersey Show for more information on the big event. And also, he'll probably have some updates on the fax certification classes. There's also a rumor, and this is only a rumor that I've heard, that Kurt is starting a new company called Fax Sponsor-Bid. This truly amazes me. He's an innovator in the industry already, but for him to take another step and take more time out of his busy schedule to throw back to us, it's truly, it's touching. So thank you, Kurt. And that's it. Have a great Saturday. DOC out. Peace. Oh, hey guys, it's the Dean of Clean with the DOC School of Pressure Washing Excellence. Wanted to talk to you guys today briefly about an upcoming event that we've got going on. I know there's a lot of buzz in the industry. It's exciting, it's innovative, it's helpful, and it's game-changing. The bottom line, we need you. We need your support. We need you to be involved. Need you to go to our website, need you to text us, need you to fax us. Call me, text me, fax me, whatever it takes. Get your ticket. It could be in your mailbox already. I'm pretty sure it is because I put it there about 15 minutes ago. So if you're ready to change the industry with me, come and see me. It's an amazing thing. Most importantly is a couple of things that I wanted to talk about are the giveaways. I am giving away something incredible. An iPod Mini from 2002. in honor of this event. But because it is Tuesday, we're giving away two. Two for Tuesday, big time. All you got to do is sign up. That's all. Ready to hear from you? Text, fax, call, yell, knock on my door. That's all I want to hear. Anyway, look forward to hearing from everybody. And as always, great to see you. How does this thing work? Hey guys, it's denaclean with the denaclean School of Pressure Washing Excellence. Wanted to give you some information today about where to find updates on the big event. If you go to the internet and go to one of the search engines, Google, Yahoo, Bing, and just type in anything, our website's going to pop right up to the top of any search. We've got the top ranked website, the highest ranking website in the history of websites. So it'll be right at your fingertips, all the information, who's going to be there, what we're going to do, how we're going to change the industry together. And together is how we're going to do it. You guys need to stop and think about what you can do to give back to the industry. If you need anything else, just fax me. Hey guys, it's Monday morning and it's the denaclean coming at you from the denaclean School of Pressure Washing Excellence and Window Cleaning Excellence. Some big news happened. I guess it was last night, I'm not sure, but I wanted to share something with you guys and thank you for your support. Without you guys, it couldn't have happened. But I just received a letter from, if you can read that, the Office of the World Wide Web. And as you can see, it's addressed to the denaclean. But I wanted to read it for you guys. It says, Dear denaclean, we want to congratulate you on your website ranking #1 in the history of the internet. Keep up the good work. Regards, the internet. And then it says, P.S. Thanks for helping out the kids also. This is a monumental day, not only for pressure cleaning and not only for the denaclean, but for you too, because without you and without me helping you, this would not have been able to happen. So thank you and have a great week. denaclean out. Good morning and happy Thursday from the denaclean with the denaclean School of Pressure Washing Excellence. Just wanted to tell everyone that I'm going to make a conscious effort today to unite the industry. If we don't unite, we're going to fall apart. When we fall apart, customers are not going to have anything that needs to be cleaned anymore. So let's do it. I accept credit cards and PayPal. Hey guys, it's the DOC with the denaclean School of Pressure Washing Excellence. I just want to wish you a happy Friday. Wanted to give a big thanks to the guys over at the thanks for putting up that website. You know, there's a lot of guys in the industry that are getting a ton of information from it. Being able to exchange ideas and just help each other out and better the industry as a whole. So just wanted to give you guys a big shout out and say thank you, and that comes right from here. Also, you know, what I wanted to talk to you guys about also is some SEO juice. Get you some SEO juice. It's on aisle 14 at most stores, but definitely something you want to look into because it is big. I'm going to be doing a seminar on that at the big event down in Savannah, so make sure you sign up. Also, if you guys wanted to get stickers, I've got a ton of them that I want to send out to you. So if you want to get a sticker, let me know. I'll send them to you. I can fax them to you. I'll fax them to you. Whatever, man. But just all I need is your credit card number and that's it. So just shoot me that information. Have a great weekend. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Dean of Clean with the denaclean School of Pressure Washing Excellence and Window Cleaning Excellence. I'm here today on this beautiful Sunday in Savannah, Georgia, to talk to you guys about something very serious. The first of which is a comment that was made on the internet by a gentleman who suggested that I was perhaps not real. This is not the case. I am a real, genuine person. Would a hologram buy a full-size cutout of themselves? No. Would someone with a gigantic ego who thinks that people care what he has to say buy a life-size cutout of themselves? And the answer to that is yes. Yes, he would. And yes, I did. I just want to remind everybody, If you need anything, if I can help you in any way, please let me know. I'm very busy helping the children of the world. I'm very busy uniting the industry, but I'm also here for you. I can help you make millions. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed those. Thanks for sticking around, and now it's time to watch the commercial.
Your neighbors are talking. Your wife is ashamed. Your kids are embarrassed. The Dean of Clean can help. All-American pressure cleaning, utilizing high heat, low pressure, and environmentally friendly detergents.
Thanks, Dean of Clean.
Call now for your free mildew preventative treatment.